Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Friday, last day of the week for me. I try not to work on the weekends if I can help it. Just because, hey, work can get done. I like to take off every now and then too. So, got my list for the day printed out there. Got my route for the day. Printed off there. Each house and stop and order. Also got to go by Myers. I'm tired. Still a little sick. Took some Sudafed. And I'm gonna make this video right here, and I'm gonna charge this phone up while gotta mount my tire, which I guess I'll show you real quick. Plus, things that I keep in my door, like just random, telling you this, I keep ibuprofen. I would take these. I take about 8 of these a day. I take 4 in the morning. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get these ready. I take 4 in the morning, and I take 4 more in the afternoon, later on in the afternoon. Also got some powder, baby powder. Keeps your nuts from sticking. Highly recommend this. Baby powder keeps your nuts from sticking when you're out here sweating and everything. Your nuts start, yeah. Keep a camera in here. Gloves, deodorant. Keep deodorant in here. Cause I come home, take a shower, then I lay down, I don't put no deodorant on. Then I wake up and get to working, and I don't put no deodorant on until I be like, damn, like onions. Then I put some deodorant on. Popping pills in the morning. Popping pills. Water was old. Had some in. Popping pills. Yeah. I gotta get some more water in here. Almost drank 2 gallons yesterday. Almost. Put some ice in here. Some water in here. Good to go. Okay, 3 minutes. Listen, I'm going to be filming all day. It's going to be too long if I talk in 3 minutes. So, appreciate you guys watching. What do you guys think about this, all these, my daily videos or whatever? I mean, I'm just trying to entertain y'all for real. So, you got to tell me what you want, how you want to be entertained. You like me showing my yards, or what you want me to just chat and talk like this? 'Cause I can do these. These are a lot easier for real. I can just sit here and just bullshit and talk to you for a couple hours, a couple minutes. Are y'all even listening? Hello? Well, I was cutting and it started raining, so guess that's that for the day. I mean, it could have. Okie dokie, guys. So, I didn't work much yesterday. I should have, could have. I mean, it rained, but then it stopped. I just got lazy. So, this video will be Friday and Saturday, but you won't see this until like 3 minutes into the video, and you probably haven't watched this far anyway, so that's cool. I did what I did this morning. So far, I have been sending out money, or sending out things to the collection. Collect my money. See, this one's $95, and This one is $95. This one's $110. And this one is $260. And see what it is it has their name, their information, and so if y'all want to, this is just what I'm going to use. Like, I'm trying to collect my money. I'm not really worried about the money. It's just the point. Like, I hate when people message me and they say, hey, we're going to pay you, and then they don't pay me. So, But anyway, guys, I am going to be hold on. Flex that chest. Flex that chest. Stop looking at my nipples. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna film. I'm gonna do just a couple yards today. Saturday. I didn't really plan on working today, but I'm gonna work just to make up from yesterday, and then I'm just gonna push some of yesterday's till Monday or something. Start recording. So here's the before and the front, and I'll show you the back when I get back here. I just forgot. I mean, guys, my bad. Actually, I did another house too. But I forgot. I didn't even think about it until just now. I was like, oh snap! My phone charging in here. I was just looking down. And I was like, man, I'm. So, anyways, here's before. Alrighty guys, this is just gonna end up today early so I can go get in the pool and go swimming and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna try and get this done as soon as I can. I wanna go swimming.